Welcome back. Jennifer, what do we got today?
Well, we have the DQ Blizzard Friends.
You know what happened last time we opened these, don't you?
Well, last time we had Abby with us.
Yep, and after we got done opening them, we had to take it to Dairy Queen, remember?
Yep. It's a little cold today.
Yeah,
for Dairy
20
Queen.
degrees is too cold for that, but she's not with us anyway, so she's gone for the weekend. But, yep, so we took her to Dairy Queen afterwards because she was having a blizzard craving. So.
I forgot, yep.
So it's a good thing she's not here. You know we would be going. Okay, Jennifer, why don't you start with the one you want?
Okay, I'll take the one.
If you remember these guys, these were really nice toys.
I like these.
We were so impressed with how nice these toys were.
And it's been a while since we've opened one up.
It's been a while since I think I've seen them in the store again. You know, this stuff seems to sell out so fast. I think kids just love all these mystery things. And I suppose adults do too.
Well, it also was the holiday season
Yep,
too.
we got the holiday season. Now they got to replenish everything. But they were just, the quality of these toys really impressed me.
So I like the yellow top on this one.
Okay. Yep, you got yellow.
Alright. Should I start, I think, with the doll, probably?
Sure. Then we can, I think we dress her up, I think.
Yes.
You get to dress her up.
Oh, I see.
Oh, we didn't have that one yet.
Yes, very green.
Oh, look at that.
Polka dotted hair.
And I don't think there was it on the back? Was there names?
Yep.
Oh, you could probably read that now. Wow,
this is Cool Mint, it looks like.
Wow, look at that.
So this, I think, is going to be her hair.
All red, white dots. It's all green.
So,
okay.
Got a little stuff there.
And you just pop in there.
Got a little, like, pigtails.
Which is cool.
There.
I like that. Still cute. Pigtails.
Right, now we gotta get
green bow there.
her outfit.
Sticking her little tongue out there.
Her dress.
Okay, if you take this off to the side here so I can get it closer to me so I can get her in it. Gotta get those arms in there. Alright, there she is. See, she'll stand? Not very well.
She's very, like, the colors,
the colors are...
stuff. I do like the polka dotted hair.
Yeah, it's cute. But they are cute. I mean, I just was impressed with, like, you know, how nice the quality. I do like that
they have a certain style to them. They're very unique.
Very unique, different. Yep. So I have not seen, you know.
And their fashion and everything.
these colors. I mean, I just, you know, you look at her, but she's very cute, I think. I love that one. Okay. So let's see if I can get her to stand up there or not. Probably not. Oh, there. Good job. Okay, I definitely know that's a new one. We didn't get that one last time. It is so awesome. I get it, and then it stops.
That's how we roll.
Get that off the lid. Chocolate, my favorite, or chocolate chip mint, we like too. Okay, I got 2 bags of mine.
Okay, so yours, the hair might be attached
already. So we'll start with her. Or him, because I think there's boys.
I'm not sure.
Because I thought we got a boy last time. Oh, speaking of boy. You know who he looks like to me? Do you ever remember?
That's Cara Caramel.
That's a girl?
Yeah, I believe so.
I don't know. Now, I'm going to be showing my age here, guys, because if anyone remembers Big Boy, the restaurant, he looks like the Big Boy, the mascot. Okay, what's in his little bag? Her little bag, sorry.
And it looks like a waffle cone, kind of.
Yep, like a waffle cone and...
Even not a waffle cone, just a cone.
Chocolate drizzle. All right, there she is. Her little chocolate streak. And there, she's got the chocolate stripes all over. Yep. Cute.
Make it look like a cone, I think. Styling hair there.
All right.
Of course, we'll probably get some more of these.
Probably get some more.
If we can find more again.
What's really sad is I can't ask you guys to leave comments anymore. That kind of, you know, what you want us to do and stuff. So, have to figure that one out someday. Oh, well, guys, I'm sure we'll see some more of these later on. Because these are just adorbs. I like them quite a bit.
And maybe we should go get some
ice cream.
No.
I don't even know what time of night it is. I'm sorry, but it's 20 degrees out. 20 degrees.
No ice cream for us.
No. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.